Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to demonstrate one major use of this pinking scissors. It's also called zigzag scissors. This is Whisker brand. I think it's an 8-inch one. I purchased this from US, but it may be available in India also. I'm not sure. So I'll demonstrate using something I was sewing. See, if you look at it, I was sewing. This is for a headband, so I was sewing, and these parts. If you can see, this was cut using a normal scissors like this, and once I finished sewing before turning. See, you can see that I cut these parts using the pinking scissors, and this I just left it or just trimmed it normal scissors. So you can see that there is a lot of fraying in these parts, but whereas there is not pretty much any kind of fraying here. That means the thread is not going to come down. So this is one major use of pinking scissors. If you don't have an overlock machine, these scissors are very much useful. You can once your sewing is done, you can finish this seams like this, and it will be clean. Also, there will not be any fraying. The fabric won't come with this one. So this is a major use of this scissors. I think it is available in India also. I'll try to put a link for both this one and what is available in India also. If you don't have a zigzag scissors, what you can do is you can take your fabric like this, fold the edges like this, and make small V-shaped cuts like this. Also V-shaped cuts like this. It is tedious, it is tedious and time consuming, but this is another way to avoid the fraying. Make sure that you don't cut the seams. So this is also another way to see that there is no fraying of the thread after sewing. Thanks for watching.